Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the collapsible and magnetic splatter guard for your microwave. Now, we've sold a bunch of these in the past, but this one takes the cake because it has all the best features wrapped up into one unit. Let's take a look. Now, with this being collapsible, you can adjust the size to accommodate any plates, bowls, and dishes. Plus, it collapses fully flat, so you could store this just about anywhere. But my favorite feature is the microwave safe magnets, because this means you can store it in the microwave if you want, and it's always gonna be right there waiting for you to use. Now, one of the biggest upgrades to this is the precision steam vents, which will help cook your food evenly and avoid condensation, meaning no more soggy leftovers. Now, every kitchen needs a splatter guard like this because it'll prevent messes in the microwave, so you don't have to scrub out all that caked on gunk. Not to mention, this is safe to use because it's BPA free, and when you need to wash this, you could just throw it in your dishwasher. Now, another thing you're gonna love is you'll keep finding new uses for this. So if you need to transport a cake, this is gonna be perfect for that. Not to mention, if you're having a picnic, this'll keep all those pesky flies away from your food. Now, I can't stress enough that this is a kitchen essential. Once you buy one of these, you'll wonder how you even lived without one in the first place. Not to mention, this is a buy more, save more. So head on over to the site and grab a couple of these for your kitchen today.